how much is a reasonable price to spend on a jacket? Like $200-300 maybe, but is $2,000 a reasonable price to spend on a jacket? Hey, good morning A-Team. How y'all doing today? Hope you guys are enjoying your day as always. Today we got kind of a short vlog, or at least I think it's gonna be a short vlog. We'll see how it goes in editing. But basically we don't have too much going on today, but we did receive something very interesting in the mail today. And this is something that I've been waiting on for a very, very long time. So I think it's gonna make for an interesting vlog. So I guess we'll see. Quick reminder, as always, you guys are the A-Team. I am Ashton Stark. This is the littest, best up-and-coming channel on YouTube. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Just punch it in the face a couple times if you haven't yet. And if you have, then welcome to the family. And you guys are gonna enjoy your time here. So what we're gonna do while I'm out here on the road is probably just cut to it. Don't want to bore you guys as always, so we're just gonna, you know, cut to the package opening. So alright guys, what is up? We are back in the room and we got our packages right here in front of us, and like I said, this is going to be interesting because the value of this package right here. Okay, let's start with this. How much is a reasonable price to spend on a jacket? Like $200-300 maybe, but is $2,000 a reasonable price to spend on a jacket? I guess we're gonna find out, because right here we got a nice little winter coat from the company Canada Goose. Now if you've never heard of Canada Goose before, this is Canada Goose. You can see that it's pretty nice quality and it looks pretty good, but that is why they're so expensive. And you may be thinking, if they're so expensive, how do they do as a company? Actually, probably most people weren't thinking that, but this company sells out all the time. Actually, it's really, really rare for them to have anything in stock, in fact. So this is really good that we got our hands on this to check it out for you guys. So we're gonna go ahead, start with those two small packages on the front, because those are also from Canada Goose, and we're gonna jump right into it. So let's see what's in these two packages. Let's start with this one. Nice little, actually I don't even think we need the knife. A little rip action right here. Alright, so we got a little Canada Goose flyer and then a receipt. So this is the receipt for the hat, which was also very expensive. Oh, and you get this nice little, I guess this is the warranty card. That's a really nice warranty card. Let's see if we can get it to focus on that. Probably not, because it's white. Basically it just says Canada Goose. It's got the warranty information on the back. And it comes in this nice little folder that you can keep too, so that is awesome. But let's get down to the hat. Here it is, right here. So let's open this up, nicely packaged in. Oh boy, look at this thing. There's the logo matching. But yeah, this is ridiculously comfortable. So this is their wool beanie in red, and comes with the authenticity notices inside the thing. But yeah, this is really, really, really soft. Like, I'm talking really soft, and this is going to be super warm, which is really good for Ohio weather. So this is very nice. So let's move right along so we can get to the next thing, because we got to get to this boy eventually. But let's open this up. This, I believe, are the gloves. We got another warranty notice. It comes with every single product. Very nice. Open these up. So these are actually one of their most popular gloves that they have. Again, one of the things that are rarely in stock, so it's actually really lucky that we got our hands on it. So let's open that up. Take a look at these. It comes with this wrapping, and when you take it off, you get these nice gloves right here. These are leather with wool on the inside, and again, authenticity notices, And wow, okay, let's try these on. So, oh my god, it's like fur on the inside. That is, look at that. That is perfect sizing too. This is amazing. Like, absolutely amazing. Holy. I don't even know how to describe to you guys what is on the inside of this, because look at this. You can see that it's completely fur on the inside. That is awesome. I love these. Ah, man. When you're out here with these cold winters that we have in Ohio, you can just slap these on. They're super fashionable. Nice leather on the outside, fur on the inside, and they're Worksman gloves. So they basically work so that they're touchscreen compatible, so you can use your phone with these. And also they just fit very, very nicely, so you have full control of all your fingers, which is completely perfect. This is probably a good time to throw in that this video is not sponsored in any way by Canada Goose. This was all purchased from our own money, so yeah, no sponsorship here, although definitely open to one Canada Goose. If you're watching, just hit me up. You know where the email is. But yeah, let's get to the big package over here. So we'll just roll this out. If you guys can see the size of this package, like, let me see if I can give you guys some sort of visual, but look at this. Look how big this package is. Oh boy. And their normal shipping gives you it in about 4 days, so we don't have to wait too long for this. But like I said, they are sold out a majority of the time, so if you are looking on getting something like this, I would definitely get it sooner than later. In fact, this jacket that we got right here was the last one that they had in stock for the 2018 year. So that's pretty cool. So you guys are gonna get a first look at this. They occasionally restock sometimes. It's very rare throughout the year, but they do it. So if you are looking and you like this jacket that I'm about to show, you can definitely check that out. But let's see what we got here. Ooh, this comes in a nicer box. So it's a box inside of, I'm gonna have to get up to open this. And I think I've got it upside down. Holy, take a look at this thing. Hold on, let me grab this. Look at the box that this comes in. This is amazing. How do you even open this thing? Oh, it's a little magnetic strip and wow. Okay, let's take a look inside what we got here. This is like not plastic, this is heavy, it's got weight to it. Alright, so again, we got our warranty right there. We got the receipt. Okay, we got jacket ourselves, which we'll look at in a sec. But it also comes with this carrying bag right here. Canada Goose represented right there. It's a nice little carrying, and it actually comes with a hanger for the bag too, so that is awesome. Let's fold this back up, put that in there, close the box. All right, and then we'll go back to our dog style so we can open up the jacket. All right, move this aside for now. Now let's take a look at this jacket. Okay, so let's open it up. Yeah, this is so nice, you don't even want to mess with the wrapping. Alright, here we go. There's one. Okay, here we go. This is probably a good time to take off this vest, even though it's also very nice. Canada Goose line. Ugh. So, yeah, like I said, this jacket is $2,000, and if you think you heard that wrong, that number right there, $2,000. Okay, so let's try this on, because I think this is about to be the warmest thing ever. So you got the Canada Goose logo, obviously. That's the front of the jacket, back of the jacket. So let's go ahead, step in front of a mirror and try this thing on. All right guys, so we got it on right now, and so just take a look at this. It's absolutely incredible. So this is how it basically is looking. You can see that it's pretty puffy, but that's just because it's Canada Goose Arctic collection. And this is going to be one of the warmest jackets that you'll probably ever put on in your entire life, because this thing is in the Arctic collection. And what that basically means is it's basically made for people who go into the Arctic Circle, and so that they can survive those temperatures. So this is how it looks. It looks pretty awesome, I'm not gonna lie. It's got these little hand things here. It's got a lot of puff to it, because it's 3 times layered, I believe. It's got a nice little inside that has lots of pockets. It's got actually a ridiculous amount of pockets. It actually looks like this may even come apart, so I guess we'll have to see. Post some pictures on Instagram, so you should definitely check that out. We'll definitely be putting a bunch of dope pictures up there, just like this one. If you haven't seen this one yet, go give it a double tap, because that was a dope car shoot. But yeah, we'll definitely put more there. If you guys are interested in buying any of these products, I'll put the links in the description below. And like I said, not sponsored at all, so what I'm gonna do for you guys is I'm not even gonna put an affiliate link. This is just gonna be the straight up link to Canada Goose, because I want you guys to see how awesome this stuff is. But I mean, you can see for yourself how awesome this stuff looks. You got the leather gloves, you got the wool hat, and of course you got this insane jacket. And all their stuff is very, very nice. So it's not just this. You don't have to go with the $2,000 jacket. They have a lot of awesome stuff for a variety of prices, so you can definitely check that out. But other than that, guys, I will see you guys tomorrow. I know this was a shorter vlog. It just had to be because of the situation that we were in today, but I hope you guys still enjoyed it. You guys are the A-Team. I'm Ashton Stark. This is the vlog channel. If you're not subscribed, just hit that subscribe button, punch it in the face. Make sure you guys are subscribed and you check in every single day for what we have going on, because like I said, we have awesome content every single day. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.